Let's learn some of the exam questions on algebra. Uh, this is a question given that 4x square plus 8x plus 3 is equal to a into x plus b the whole square plus c. Find the values of constants a, b and c. Whenever you get such a question, you need to understand that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. If it is given that it is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side, you can equate the coefficients of the same degree values from the x. Okay, for example, if you have it here 4x square plus 8x plus 3, you can write the right hand side as a times x square plus 2xb plus b square plus c, and then you can simplify this. So it is like 4x square plus 8x plus 3 is equal to ax square plus 2axb plus ab square plus c. Now in this case, if you equate the coefficient of x square, you will get that a is equal to 4. If you equate the coefficient of x, you will get that 8 is equal to 2ab, and the constant, if you equate, you will get that 3 is equal to ab square plus c. Okay, now from this a is equal to 4, that is complete. 8 is equal to 2 times 4 times b, or b is equal to 1, and 3 is equal to a is 4, so 4 times b square, b is 1 square plus c, or c is equal to 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we get the three values here. Now the second question is the equation is equal to 0 where k is a constant, has two distinct real roots. So two distinct real roots, always it means that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means you have to find b square minus 4ac from this. So the form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in that case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, c is equal to k plus 3. So b square minus 4ac means k square minus 4 times a times c is k plus 3. So you have to look at this. What is that they are asking us to do? So here you can write that as k square, it is greater than 0. So k square minus 4 into k plus 3 is greater than 0, or k square minus 4k minus 12 is greater than 0. So we have proven that. Okay. Find the set of possible values of k. So in that case, you need to solve this equation like k square minus 4k minus 12 is greater than 0. So you can find the roots maybe. So to find the roots, what you will do is you find the factors of 12. So it is like 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and which will add up to minus 4. So you can take this, that is plus 2 minus 6. So you can write it as plus 2 minus 6. So you can write k square minus k square minus sorry plus 2x. So you can split this 4x as k square plus 2k minus 6k plus 12. Oh, sorry, minus 12 is equal to is greater than 0, or k times k plus 2 minus 6 times k plus 2 is greater than 0. K minus 6 times k plus 2 is greater than 0, and then k is equal to 6, k equal to minus 2. Okay, so find the roots of this. Sorry, when you are doing such questions, you should not write greater than 0 here, but rather write equal to 0 here, because that is how we find the values. And then you draw a graph where one point it is minus 2 and the other point is 6, and the graph should go like this. Okay, and the formula is k square minus 4k minus 12 is greater than 0. So it is the region where the graph is above the k-axis. So then the equation will be k is less than minus 2 and k is greater than 6. So this is the solution for this one. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Find two values of m, which is an element of R, for which 5 plus 3m is equal to 11. So here this is the modulus operator, so I can write that 5 plus 3m is equal to 11, or 5 plus 3m is equal to minus 11. So now I can solve it like 3m is equal to 6 or m is equal to 2. Here 3m is equal to minus 16, m is equal to minus 16 over 3. So modulus operator, you will have to put it into two values and then you will get the values. For the real numbers h, j and k, 1 by h equal to find k in terms of h and j. Okay, so this is pretty easy. It is like a junior cert question. So whenever you get two fractions like this, you need to cross multiply. So I can write this as j plus k is equal to hk, and you have to write k in terms of this one. So I will bring all the k's to one side. So it is like k minus kh, or I will write it as hk only, is equal to minus j, and I take k here, 1 minus h is equal to minus j, k is equal to minus j over 1 minus h. Or if I want to remove the negatives, and I can write it as h minus 1. Both the ways it is possible. Okay. Now this question, x square minus px plus 1 is a factor of this, where pr is an element of r and p is less than 0. Find the value of p and find the value of r. Okay, so if this is a factor of x cube, so there are two methods. One is that you can divide and find the remainder and then solve it, or what you can do is, like, if this is the factor and this is a square, which is like a quadratic equation, and here you have a cubic equation, so which means that the quadratic equation here, or quadratic term here, multiplied by x plus k and another term, should give you this x cube minus 2x minus 3r. Okay, so now you can simplify this, and also once you simplify this, as I said in the first question, you can equate the coefficients. So let us try that. So here what you will get is x cube minus px square plus x plus kx square minus pkx plus k is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 3r. Okay, and then I can simplify this. It is x cube minus, or plus, k minus p x square. So I'm just combining the terms of the same coefficient. So 1 minus pk times x plus k is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 3r. Now I can equate. So the terms of x cube, I can write this as 1. It is 1 equal to 1. So there's nothing to do here. For the x square, I can write it as x minus p is equal to minus 2. And for x, I can write it as 1 minus pk is equal to minus 2. Oh, sorry, x minus, here it is different. X square, there is no term here, so I just need to write it 0. So k is equal to p. And the final one is k is equal to minus 3r. So this is the constant term. So with this k is equal to p, what I can do is like 1 minus p square is equal to minus 2, or p square is equal to 3, or p is equal to square root of 3. Okay, square root of 3, which should be minus, because they have mentioned that p is less than 0. And since k, so k is also p. Okay, so k is also equal to square root of minus 3. And from here, r is equal to k over minus 3, which is equal to k is square root of minus 3 over minus 3. Okay, that is equal to square root of 3 over 3. Okay, next question. Show that this is a factor of f of x. Okay, so if x minus 2 is a factor, you can say that x is equal to 2 is a root. Okay, so that is one concept which you have to remember. This is, if this is a factor, x is equal to 2 will be a root. So f of 2 should be equal to 0. So now you can try to find f of 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 cube minus 2 square plus 2 times 2 minus 16. So that is equal to 16 minus 4 plus 4 minus 16, which is equal to 0, and then hence proved. Show that fx is equal to this one. So fx, we have the values. It's the same as before. You need to equate the coefficient. So I let me just write the fx here. So 2x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 16 is equal to x minus 2 times 2x square plus bx plus c. Okay, now I can simplify this as 2x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 2x cube plus bx square plus cx minus 4x square minus 2bx minus 2c. Now I can equate the coefficients of x square, which will be minus 1 is equal to b minus 4, so b is equal to 3. And if you can equate the constant, I will get minus 16 is equal to minus 2c, because that's only constant on the right side, so c is equal to 8. Okay, that's it for today.